Hello everyone. Today I made a couple different soaps and I have a little bit of color left from a couple of the batches, and instead of wasting it I thought I would just make a soap that maybe I could find a scent to kind of go along with all of them. So I've decided to use Caribbean Escape. It's from Wholesale Supplies Plus. And it has notes of sweet melon, raspberry nectar, Italian lemon, creamy coconut, and raw sugar cane. So I'm gonna go ahead and I've already added my lye solution to my oils. So I'm gonna take and pour off a little bit in each cup here. And hopefully they won't leak on me. And then I'm going to make most of it white. Not after using all 5 colors, but we'll see how it turns out. So I'm going to go ahead and mix them all up. Pull them back a little bit so you can see a little bit better. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add just a little bit of fragrance oil to each one. Rest we'll save for the white batter, so we're going to stir these all up really good. We'll end up stirring them again before we pour it in the mold. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and move these to the side. And this is going to be our white. And that's some titanium dioxide. It's not real white, but it'll be okay. To make it easier to pour, I'm going to pour some in this little cup here. Left. Okay, so we're going to get our mold. And the tall skinny mold from Crafter's Choice. Just a layer of white. Cover the bottom. That's about half. I think my box is crooked. It's like one side is higher than the other one. Full there. Okay, we're going to let this set up and we will be back when it hardens up to cut it. Our Caribbean Escape soap is done. It smells really good. I always wonder when I come to cut my soap if people realize that we cut them a day or two later And if you have the same clothes on, they think maybe she don't change her clothes. But yeah, they usually sit for a good day. Sometimes I wait 2 days. And I can go back in videos and see what did I have on. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to cut this. With this mold, it doesn't have anything to hold it in like the wood crate of the other molds. So it kind of bulges out so it don't lay real flat against the cutter here, but we'll give it our best shot. So if you're ever watching videos and I have the same clothes on, don't think I don't change my clothes. Actually, it's 85 in California. I have a long sleeve shirt on and shorts, so kind of crazy. There's a little piece off the end. So this soap was kind of soft, but it turned out pretty. So I'll go ahead and set these out and let it cure, and then they'll be ready for sale. Thanks for watching.